Today we are going to discuss something very interesting, an AI platform which can create your website design in just a couple of clicks. Yes, that's correct. So I've recently created a connection with this business in my LinkedIn profile and I can check they don't have a website. So what I'm going to do is right now try to create a design, a wireframe. It's like a skeleton. How would your website look like for them for free? And just in a couple of clicks. So let's go ahead and do that. So first go to Relume and click on launch. Just sign up for this account for free. And then you'll end up on a dashboard, something like this. Once you come onto this dashboard, I think we can just create one project for free on this particular dashboard, which is enough to just create a home page for them, a simple landing page to help their business. So new project. Over here on your left hand side, we need to update a prompt. What is the business is about? What kind of services they provide? A basic script or a prompt for AI to generate the design. I'll just quickly paste this. A construction company based in Sydney offering residential building, renovation and commercial projects. That's about. And then I'll just click 1 to 5 pages probably and just click on generate sitemap. What is sitemap is basically the skeleton of a website, how many pages it has, how many sub pages it has within the website. So first goes the homepage, which is mandatory for any website. And then about us page, what is their business is about, and services, what they provide for residential constructions and other council and etc. probably, and contact us for them to reach them out. And yeah, as you can see, residential renovation and commercial projects, something like that, which helps Google to crawl and maybe rank better and have a proper professional website look. Okay. Now it generated the sitemap. Let's go to wireframe. So now on the wireframe for the mobile version, I choose, and then it created a landing page, just the home page with a hero banner, build for spaces and building dreams together, innovative, like it added some content by itself and it added the team section and then, and so on, like even the footer. Now we move on to style guide. This is where the magic happens. Like it's awesome, like how it created. So if you want to play around with the colors, all you need to do is just shuffle these. Alright guys, now we have went through the sitemap, wireframe and also style guide, played around, added some images, added some logo, and now we got some pitch worthy concept landing page, which is gonna be cool enough to present it to your client or someone who needs this. Okay, we can just show them how it looks, and then probably if they like it, we can just develop this from scratch using Figma. Now let's talk about Figma, because we need to export this using Figma. This is basically a design platform which is easy for developers to literally design your website. Now first we need to connect Relume with Figma. Click on this open in Figma. Okay, now you can see the Sydney Construction Services, the one which we have designed. Click on that. I think we'll choose the style guide because that's when they can understand how the website design and layout look like. Continue. That's it. It's working on it. Let's see how it goes. Wow, it shows us how much time we have saved and imported this. Now the design is imported to our Figma. Look at this. We have created a design wireframe purely with AI in just a couple of clicks, in just a couple of minutes. Now to literally share this, I need to click on this share button over here, copy link. Please leverage AI. You have no other option. You can just create some amazing wireframes just, to understand the designs which might really attract your customers. So please use AI, which can make it for free. And now I have made plenty of videos on my YouTube channel how you can achieve great digital visibility using AI. Please go and have a look. It's for free. And if you like them, please like, share, subscribe. And if you need any help with your business growing digitally and Google recognizing your website and more traffic to your website, please go to our website, fill in our contact form. We would love to help you out. See you guys in the next video. Can't wait. Take care.